In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify POS for selling in person, explained. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. Sign in, then look for the option to add a sales channel. Choose the Shopify App Store, and in the search bar type Point of Sale. Open the Shopify POS app listing, skim through the highlights and screenshots so you know what you're getting, and when you're ready, click Install. This adds the POS sales channel to your admin so you can manage in-person selling alongside your online store. After installation, you'll land on the POS Channel Dashboard. Here, click Get Shopify POS for iOS or Android to download the mobile app onto your phone or tablet. That app is what you'll actually use at the counter to ring up orders, scan barcodes, and accept payments. So make sure it's installed on the device you'll use in store. Before we configure your location, take a quick tour of the POS analytics in Admin. Open gross sales to see how in-person revenue trends over time, then check discounts to understand which promotions are applied at checkout, and finally look at returns to monitor items coming back. Getting familiar with these reports now helps you keep a pulse on store performance later. Next, set up where you'll sell. In the POS channel, open Locations. If you're prompted to select a plan, choose the option that fits your needs, and add POS Pro for your shop location if you want advanced features like staff roles and exchanges. You can adjust this later. Return to Locations and click Add Location. On the New Location form, enter a clear name for the store so staff can recognize it. Fill in the address fields carefully: street, city, region, postal code, and country. Since accurate details power correct tax calculation and pickup availability. Use the drop-downs to select the right country and region codes, then complete the remaining fields. If you need to back out for any reason, you can cancel. Otherwise, continue and confirm your changes when you're done. With the location created, review its settings. Enable use inventory at this location to fulfill online orders if you want your website to draw stock from this store, which is useful for local pickup or balancing inventory. Then set the business type to physical storefront so POS-specific features like printed receipts and cash management are available. That's it. You've installed the POS channel, grabbed the mobile app, explored the key reports, and configured your retail location so inventory and sales stay in sync. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready